to escape camper life, where we bring you the finest motorhomes designed for comfort, convenience, and style. Today, we explore the 2025 Kia Motorhome, a masterpiece in modern travel engineering that redefines what it means to hit the road in luxury. With a sleek, aerodynamic design, cutting-edge technology, and a fully equipped interior, this motorhome stands as one of the most impressive models of the year. Whether you're a weekend traveler or a full-time explorer, the 2025 Kia Motorhome promises an unmatched experience. Kia has taken a bold step in the motorhome industry, blending automotive excellence with home-like comfort. The exterior boasts a futuristic design with smooth lines, LED lighting, and a premium grille that showcases Kia's signature styling. Built with lightweight, high-strength materials, this motorhome ensures durability without compromising fuel efficiency. Large panoramic windows provide an open and airy feel while allowing passengers to take in breathtaking views. The retractable awning, equipped with LED ambient lighting, creates the perfect outdoor relaxation space, making every stop feel like home. Stepping inside, the cabin welcomes travelers with an elegant and spacious layout. The premium leather seating, wood grain finishes, and soft-touch materials elevate the ambience, creating a warm and inviting space. Kia has focused on maximizing every inch of this motorhome, incorporating a seamless design that blends comfort with functionality. The living area features reclining seats, a retractable smart TV, and an advanced surround sound system, ensuring entertainment is never compromised. Whether it's a movie night or a relaxing evening after a long day of travel, this space provides the perfect retreat. The fully equipped kitchen is designed for those who enjoy cooking on the road, with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, a high-capacity refrigerator, a convection microwave, and a deep stainless steel sink. Preparing meals has never been easier. The quartz countertops and sleek cabinetry add a touch of elegance, while smart home integration allows voice-activated control over kitchen functions, lighting, and even climate settings. Ample storage ensures all essentials are within reach, making this kitchen as functional as it is stylish. The sleeping quarters offer a luxurious and restful retreat. A queen-size memory foam mattress guarantees a peaceful night's sleep, while ambient lighting enhances the relaxing atmosphere. The master suite includes built-in storage, a personal entertainment system, and integrated charging ports for ultimate convenience. The convertible seating area in the living room provides additional sleeping space, making this motorhome ideal for families or group travelers. Kia has designed every feature with comfort in mind, ensuring that no matter where the journey takes you, restful sleep is always within reach. The bathroom in the 2025 Kia Motorhome is nothing short of spectacular, featuring a full-size shower with rainfall and handheld options, a smart toilet with bidet functionality, and a sleek vanity with LED-lit mirrors. The space rivals that of high-end hotels. The use of high-quality materials such as marble-inspired surfaces and chrome finishes enhances the luxurious appeal, ensuring that every moment of self-care feels indulgent. Beyond its luxurious living space, the driving experience of the 2025 Kia Motorhome is designed for both ease and performance. A powerful hybrid engine delivers exceptional fuel efficiency while maintaining the strength needed for long journeys. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even on rough terrain. Equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, this motorhome makes navigation effortless. Kia's driver assist features enhance safety and confidence, allowing travelers to enjoy the open road without stress. Technology plays a key role in making this motorhome one of the most advanced on the market. The large touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while real-time navigation with traffic updates keeps you on the most efficient route. An onboard Wi-Fi system ensures constant connectivity, perfect for digital nomads or those who need to stay in touch while traveling. Roof-mounted solar panels contribute to energy efficiency, reducing reliance on external power sources and making off-grid adventures more accessible. Storage is another area where the 2025 Kia Motorhome excels. Overhead compartments, underbed storage, and a large exterior slide-out storage unit provide ample space for travel essentials and outdoor gear. Whether you're carrying camping equipment, bicycles, or other recreational accessories, this motorhome has been designed to accommodate every need. With all these incredible features, the 2025 Kia Motorhome stands as a perfect blend of innovation, luxury, and practicality. It is built for those who refuse to compromise on comfort while embracing the spirit of adventure. Whether you're exploring scenic landscapes, embarking on cross-country journeys, or simply enjoying life on the road, this motorhome offers everything needed for a truly exceptional experience. If you're as excited about this as we are, be sure to subscribe to Escape Camper Life for more in-depth motorhome reviews, expert insights, and travel inspiration. Let us know in the comments if the 2025 Kia Motorhome is your dream camper. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and, as always, stay free on the open road.